In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new category for appointment types. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your appointment types are neatly organized and easy to find. Let's start with the most direct path. On the left side of your dashboard, click on Appointment Type. This takes you to the area where all your appointment types live. Inside the screen, open the Type section. This is where you manage the details of a specific appointment type. Now click on Edit to open the settings for the appointment type you want to adjust. Once you're in the Edit view, look for the option that says Create New Category. Click that, and you'll be prompted to add a name for your new category. To choose a clear, concise name that reflects how you plan to group similar services. For example, you might use names like consultations, follow-ups, or premium services, whatever fits your setup. Keep names consistent so your team and your clients can quickly understand what belongs where. After you add the category, you'll be able to use it to group this appointment type and others in the future. There's also an alternate route that works great if you're creating something new from scratch. If you prefer that, go back to your main area and click on Packages, Gifts, and Subscriptions. This section lets you build offerings that bundle or present services in different ways. From here, click on New Appointment Type. In the setup form that appears, you'll see a category field. Right there, you can add a new category just like before. This method is helpful when you're adding a brand new appointment type and want to place it in a fresh category without leaving the creation flow. A few quick tips as you decide on category names. Think about how your clients search for services, by purpose, duration, or level of service, and use that logic in your labels. Try to avoid overlap or duplicates, and keep the wording brief so menus remain clean and scannable. If your team works across different locations or departments, align on a shared naming style to maintain consistency. That's it. Whether you edit an existing appointment type or create a new one through packages, gifts, and subscriptions, you'll find a category option and the ability to add a new category right where you need it. Thanks for